Before the world sees you today, take a quiet moment to come back to yourself. This is your space to feel calm, feminine, safe, and ready. Take a slow breath in. Let your shoulders relax. Let your face soften. Let the morning meet you gently. You do not need to rush into the day. You do not need to prove anything. You are allowed to begin slowly. I welcome feminine energy into this morning. My softness is natural. My calm is beautiful. I can move through this day with grace. I allow myself to feel delicate without feeling weak. My feminine energy does not have to be perfect. I am allowed to express myself in small, gentle ways. Every breath helps me return to who I am. I get ready with kindness. I treat myself gently today. I do not need to criticize every detail. I am allowed to like what I see. I can choose clothes that help me feel more like myself. I can stand a little taller. I can look in the mirror with softness. I am becoming more comfortable with myself every day. I can face the day one moment at a time. I do not have to carry everyone's opinion. I am more than fear. I am more than doubt. I deserve to be treated with respect. I deserve to feel safe and seen. I can protect my peace today. I can move through the world with quiet confidence. I am allowed to be seen. I am allowed to take up space. I do not need to hide my softness. I do not need to shrink myself to make others comfortable. My presence is valid. My feelings are valid. My feminine expression is valid. I deserve gentle words from myself. My softness is powerful. My courage is feminine. My patience is feminine. My kindness can be quiet. My strength does not need to be loud. I can be gentle and still be strong. I carry myself with calm power. My softness is powerful. My courage is feminine. My patience is feminine. My kindness can be quiet. My strength does not need to be loud. I can be gentle and still be strong. I carry myself with calm power. I release the pressure to be perfect. I release the fear of not being enough. I release shame that was never mine. I release old voices that made me doubt myself. I release comparison. I release the need to prove my womanhood. I release the need to have everything figured out today. I allow myself to simply be. I belong to myself. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of comfort. I am worthy of belonging. I am allowed to feel proud of myself. I honor the journey that brought me here. I honor the woman I am becoming. I honor the woman I already am. I am ready. I am safe. I am feminine. I am enough. I am calm. I am seen. I am valid. I am becoming more myself every day. I am ready to face the day. I am ready to move with confidence. You do not need to be perfect today. You do not need to explain yourself today. You do not need to become someone else to deserve peace. You are allowed to move through this day as yourself, softly, honestly, and with quiet confidence. I trust myself today. I choose myself today. I protect my peace today. I honor my feminine heart today. I face this day as me. Carry this feeling with you. Let your morning be gentle. Let your heart stay soft. Let your confidence grow quietly. You are not behind. You are not wrong. You are becoming. And you are already worthy. If this helped you feel calmer, more feminine, or more ready for your day, subscribe to Feminine Within. Comment, "I am ready" below. And come back to this whenever you need a soft reminder of who you are.